Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to change the gift amount from the DrawNames app. Now if you want to change the gift amount on DrawNames app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is that you just need to make sure that you have installed the DrawNames app on your device, and from here you just need to open the DrawNames app on your device. So this is the home page of DrawNames, and here you will see the various options at the bottom taskbar, and you will see the celebration which you have created at the very celebration taskbar. Now to change the gift price, you just need to click on the option of settings at the very top right, and here you will see the options: change the event date, change the gift amount, change celebration venue, add members, and all of it. So click on the option change the gift amount, and from here you may simply select the option like this, or click on the option of others and select the amount which you like and click on the option of save. So that's it, the gift amount has been changed to the certain amount which you have chosen. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to change the gift amount. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video.